Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to turn off visual effects in Windows 11 so you can get better performance and a snappier system. This works on the latest Windows 11 version. First, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click Accessibility. Click Visual Effects. Turn off animation effects. Turn off transparency effects. Now go back to Settings. Click System. Click About. Scroll down and click Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. In the Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for Best Performance, or choose Custom and uncheck the effects you do not need. Click Apply. Click OK. Restart your computer for the best results. Your system should now feel faster with fewer visual animations. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.